hope that you're all safe from harm and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do an unboxing and comparison with the latest addition to the J'adore line of Christian Dior, and this is the J'adore Infinissime. This is the newest line. I think this one was launched last September of 2020. Actually, this is a gift to me by my mother. She purchased this one last October, and she gave this one to me last November. So I haven't opened this one because I don't have time yet. So now this is the perfect time, I guess. So I will be comparing this one with the original J'adore. This is 100 ml or 100 ml. Okay, so Dior is very close to my heart because Dior perfume, which particularly the Poison one, it's my first ever perfume. It was also gifted to me by my mother. I guess the color is like, I'm not sure, but I think it's the black or the red one, deep red one. That was my first ever perfume. I was grade 5 back then, and I only use it for special occasions. My everyday perfume actually is Victoria's Secret, and my favorite scent was Secret Crush. But I don't think they have Secret Crush anymore. I think they phased it out. And I don't know what name they replace it with. Okay, so if I think of perfume, the first thing that comes in my mind is the Dior perfume or the Samsara. Samsara is, whenever I smell it, Samsara is from Guerlain. I have it here. Whenever I smell this perfume, this reminds me of my mother. This is her perfume when I was very little. She's really into perfume. So she influenced me, and because she influenced me and I am stingy, I don't buy perfume. She gives perfume to me even after now that I am older. Okay, so let us start with the unboxing. Okay, so this is the packaging. Okay, the J'adore line actually is 22 years old. So it has been in the market for 22 years. It must be a very good perfume because there's a lot of people who like it because, well, up to now, 22 years. I think they started it in 1999, and up until now, it still is existing. Okay, so this is really different from the original one. This one is my favorite. This is my signature scent. I usually use this whenever I go out, and this is also a gift to me by my sister. They are really different. Okay, first and foremost, the color. Okay, this one is lighter, and the new one is darker. It's darker. Okay, they may be the same when it comes to height, but here, notice here, it's different. This one has like a necklace on it. So it really is different. And the smell is also different. Okay, I'll check here. It says here that the J'adore Infinissime by Christian Dior is a oriental floral fragrance for women. Yes, it is. So top notes are blood orange, bergamot, and pink pepper. Middle notes are tuberose, jasmine samba, ilang-ilang, lily of the valley, and rose. And the base note is sandalwood. Okay, for the... Yes, I can smell all of them here. If I will compare the two, the original one has this fresh, very girly, very pretty kind of smell. While this one is, it's very like mature kind of smell. Not mature like old, but it's heavy, it's not fresh, it's a serious kind of smell to it. It's citrusy and deep. If you compare them, like this one is like a fun loving kind of perfume, while this one is like, okay, I got this, I can handle this, I am very stable, I know what to do. That's how I perceive these two. This one is serious, this one is fun. So they are really different. But I can smell here jasmine. Here it has jasmine too, but very light kind of jasmine. This one is very oriental. The original one is like, I can smell the melon and the pear. It's very fresh. While this one is really mature. If there's one thing that really I can really smell in this one, it would be the sandalwood. Very prominent. So I'll try it to myself. Yeah. And they claim that this one, the Infinissime one, it lasts longer. So I don't know yet because I haven't tried it. This would be my first time. So I like this. I like it too. But this one really speaks of me. This one describes me as a person. I am more on the fresh side. I am more on the floral side. I am more on the just the happy-go-lucky kind of thing of perfume. While this one, I may be using this one when I need to solve a challenge in my company, or if I need to do a business meeting and I need to close that deal or that meeting, then I will use this one. So okay, so this one really is for those women who are into oriental type of perfume. Okay, so that's it for the comparison of these two. And for the price, I'm sorry, but I don't know the price on this one because this is just gifted to me by my mother, but I'll try to check. I'll try to check how much it is, and I'll just put the link down below. And I hope that you learn from this review, and please subscribe and like my channel. Bye!